politics, and those of you who have read the accusations on impeachment, you could see clearly they were raising operational issues, some which have been addressed through the Senate, and some which are pending in Kenyan courts. If you looked at my response, you could seriously wonder what was the reason for impeachment. Because impeaching a governor or a president, for that matter, he must preach the Constitution. 2, he must have stolen money, which can be traced. But these general accusations in the streets, finding themselves into the house, a lawmaking house, is quite unfortunate, and we hope it's the last one. Yes, when we looked at it as it was coming, there was a lot of external influence. We have evidence of some people beating the gubernatorial contest, and one MP, one prospective governor. They joined about 5-6 people, and they started raising money to confuse. In other words, to persuade the MCAs to start this motion. I believe by now they are ashamed because there is no reason. They were bringing even impeachment motion. It was purely political. Purely political. And I believe our good MCAs, whom I'm asking to calm down, come and sit and work for the people of Jamaica. They were elected for a purpose, to oversight, yes, to legislate and represent their people. I was also elected to preside over their own government. If they do their job diligently and I do mine, there will be no one will crash. But when people sit outside the county government and decide that if we leave this man move the way he's moving, he's going to reach a state we cannot get him in 2027, we have to disrupt his development agenda. That one, I will not be shaken. I have direct allegiance to people who elected me, and I will not remove my eyes from development agenda. Whatever I promise to do, I will do. Whatever they want to do, I think Satan is in. Nyanja, ekaroko minjoria, liwasi bilikuwa bekruze kwenye yore, utolewa. Lakini yagenege ndokia goja, getabu atene accusation. Wagoja with operational issues, which should have been addressed. Keria kia yoja kwa address with the committee. Lakini wana wakagenda, wakamenu ukende, abandi bakabasoka, na watatu komishops. Njina wananchi wanjore. Naenda bungo kore gasi. Lakini onye bataita kore gasi yamo, ndi tayari. Waje tuwaje isema gendero ya wananchi. Otherwise, onye no weta chi hoteli Mombasa na Nakuru where ikikira ukiti ngwanjira. Tingwanjira na naende ko wabori mbati mekana abantu baisiko wasali account yeito bangete bindo ko yakorera. Na raida te baso bwenga. They are most welcome.